Debugging a CodeIgniter web application and notice CI cache files accumulating in the application directory. These temporary files speed up your web app but can cause issues when stale. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's how to manage them properly. We're tackling this CI file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. CI files are cached data files generated by CodeIgniter, the popular PHP web application framework. They store serialized data from database queries, page fragments, and computed results to reduce server processing load and improve response times for frequently accessed content in CodeIgniter applications. CI files are cached data files generated by CodeIgniter, the popular PHP web application framework. They store serialized data from database queries, page fragments, and computed results to reduce server processing load and improve response times for frequently accessed content in CodeIgniter applications. For full compatibility with CI, use the proprietary CodeIgniter developed by British Columbia Institute of Technology. The file's internal manifest must be processed by a trusted system-level application. Windows supports viewing, but execution must occur through an appropriate script processor. The easiest way to identify the error source is testing. Right-click the CI file and hit Open With. Use CodeIgniter if installed. If it's not present, choose another program. We must find the correct software handler. If your CI file will not open, do not worry. If your CI file is still uncooperative, the time for guessing is over. Let's test these primary failure points immediately to confirm the source. First, locate cache files. Navigate to the application cache directory within your CodeIgniter project folder. CI cache files are stored here with hashed file names. The directory may also contain index.html placeholder files. Use your file manager or terminal to list and inspect the cached files present in this directory. Next, clear stale cache. Delete all files in the application cache directory except the index.html placeholder to clear stale cached data. In your CodeIgniter application code, use this cache clean to programmatically clear all cached entries. Clearing the cache forces the application to regenerate fresh data on the next request. Finally, configure cache settings. Edit the CodeIgniter cache configuration in Application, Config, PHP, or within your controller code. Set cache expiration times with this output, cache n, where n is minutes. For fine-grained control, use the cache driver library to specify file memcached or Redis backends, with custom TTL values per cached item. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.